So this was the last time we saw Chase Sexton racing, and this is all the way back in the first round at Fox Raceway, whatever Paula, whatever you want to call it now. And since then, well, rumors have been flying, and who knows what's actually been going on? Because after that crash right there, from the team, the team reported that he would miss round two at Hangtown, perfectly fine. Maybe hurt his shoulder, whatever. And they said that he did not sustain any broken bones, but that he was banged up, and that was all we've heard. No reasoning, no what the injury actually is, just banged up. And obviously, things have gone from there. We've seen rumors that he was supposed to be back for Southwick, which he ended up dispelling himself right here, and with again no more explanation as to when and or why or how he's going to be back. But as of now, we have an actual report, and this is coming from RacerX, saying, quote, Chase Sexton has signed up for this weekend's Redbud National. So the defending 450 Pro Motocross champion will be on track for the first time since the opening laps of the season. Is this post-Supercross season reset exactly what Sexton needed? We'll find out. I mean, it doesn't really make much sense because having a reset means he's out of the championship, which I guess you could say kind of takes any pressure off, especially with the overarching rumor that he's leaving KTM at the end of the year and going to Kawasaki. It really kind of just takes all the effort or pressure for him to do well off. I mean, if he comes out and he gets some podiums, great. But he's not in the championship hunt, so he's not going to be expected to run firsts. And this is from his mechanic also saying, we are ready for Redbud. So this is pretty good. I mean, he's going to come back. He's going to be free to do whatever wherever he wants. Races aren't going to matter. Obviously, if he gets some wins or podiums, whatever, it's going to be bonus time for him. But it's probably just whatever. I'm leaving this team. I don't need to now worry about fighting for a championship or constantly being out front and over pushing myself to keep up with Tomac and Lawrence. So we'll see. Is he going to be a head case like he has been? Who knows what actually happened? If we ever going to actually hear anything about it, I highly doubt it. But somebody's going to ask in either the press day or the post-race interview, depending on how he does. It's going to be one of the very early questions that he gets. Why have you been out for so long? What was the injury? All those he's just going to be peppered with because it's kind of surprising. He's the returning champion. He should have been racing, defending his title out front with Tomac, Plessinger, Jet Lawrence, Hunter Lawrence, all those guys. And to have radio silence for the last, month? And yes, you can say, it's his life. He doesn't need to tell anybody anything. But when you're making millions of dollars and you're racing for one of the top pro OEM teams with massive sponsors, to have this kind of radio silence about what's going on, what's your injury, it makes the PR for the team and for him look bad. I mean, you would never get this in any other major sport, and the more they try and push this mainstream, get betting in, get different sponsors, get more money into the sport, this is one of those things that people are going to look at and be like, well, geez, this looks amateur, man. You can't even give some sort of report on when you're coming back, what's going on, who knows, anything about it. But so I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. How well do you think he does in his return? Is he top 5? Is he top 10? Is he going to be super slow and not caring to push because, he's going to a different team, so this year doesn't matter anymore? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.